Hello, and welcome to actual Sunday content. So this is looking okay for the moment, so we'll leave that. So what I was thinking is taking like some detail to this part. I think we might increase its density a little bit. So we'll crank that up to something like that. Cool. And then I had to play around, and I think this will work. So just to kind of explain. So when I do like using alphas and stuff, I usually start with the standard brush. So three sort of like parameters, well, yeah, 3 or 4. Obviously the alpha that you want, and these are just the default ones. So there's a bunch of default ones that do, various different kinds of alphas. The type of stroke, so I went with color spray. I could go with spray because doesn't seem to be any variant, I don't think, but we'll leave on that because the test worked with that. So but sometimes it's good to use drag, sometimes it's used to use like drag dot, and then dots as well. So we're going to use spray, and then the alpha, and then I guess the two other things that are important are the sensitivity, the intensity, which is under U, and obviously the size of the brush, which is under S. So what we're going to do is just like click on a spot and drag it out until we get the changes, but we're going to do it in negative like this to kind of get that golf ball effect on here. So we're going to do that all over, so it doesn't matter about that. It's going to kind of start looking like an orange, a weird orange. Which is fine. Because we're going to start erasing some out. So let's go back into solo. I hate when it does this, that's fine. I'm going to pause, and because I can't, I hate that. Let's save. Alright, I'll pause and come back. Alright, so we're back. So, yeah. Anyway, it's me being a bit pedantic. But we will use a smooth brush now, so that's just holding shift and smooth the areas we don't want, which is actually going to be in these areas. So we'll do that. So just a matter of kind of like smoothing that out so that we don't have those bumps. Probably do it in like any like crevices as well. So we'll remove all of the bumps from the sort of valley parts from here. Like so. Yep. Awesome. So we've got that happening. We might just get rid of it here as well. And then we're going to just choose little areas and just kind of like erase it from there as well, because we don't want it on all, like we don't want it all everywhere. Just little bits. There we go. Yeah, so that looks good. And we'll do the same with these ones as well. So we'll just go in and select that. We've got our standards. We'll go back to color spray and we'll go back to, I should have remembered which one it was. This one. We'll do the same. We'll just go down for each of these. Nice. And yeah, smooth out the parts we don't need anymore. Might have needed some more geometry, but that's fine. Pressing the wrong buttons. Would be a bit looser, I suppose, with this. Alright, that's looking good. So save that, and I guess we'll leave it there as well. But yeah, look, hopefully you've had a good weekend, and the hope is that I'll be able to do this tomorrow. Alright, cheers guys.